Hello, poets! How's it going with your poems? Are you looking with your poet's eyes and thinking with your five senses? Did you use line breaks when you wrote your poem? Awesome. Some kids are still wondering how to make a poem sound more like a poem. Let's talk about that today. When we write a poem, we don't want to use our "this is what this thing is" scientist voice. That's not very musical. Poets use their imagination to describe something. Let's call that using our poet's voice. One of the most important pieces of writing poetry is something that you do very, very well already. You use your imagination. You use your poet's voice. One way to use your poet's voice is to imagine you are the thing you're writing about. Here's an example. Remember the rock I picked up in the park? I'm going to imagine I am that rock. I might be so small you pass me by, but I can take it. I can take most anything. I'm tiny, but mighty. Now you try. Imagine you are the thing you're writing about, and use your poet's voice to write a poem. Remember to send a picture of your poem to your teacher.